Hey everyone! Today we're going to stream live Bitcoin prices to Microsoft Excel. Streaming functions are a new addition to xlwings server and they work across all platforms, including Windows, Mac OS and the web. I guess I'm pretty excited about them. But let's start at the beginning. First of all, you want to go to the xlwings server repo on GitHub. You can find the link below in the description. Follow the README to get up and running. To see if everything works as expected, you can write equals xlwings.hello and give it a string. This looks good, so let's now go to the xlwings documentation. Under the xlwings server section, you'll find Office.js custom functions, and here you can go to streaming functions. If you scroll a little bit down, you will find the Bitcoin sample here. No worries, we'll go through the code in just a moment, but for now, let's copy it here, and in xlwings server, under app, custom functions, and examples py, let's just paste it in here, save the file, and then switch back to Excel. In order to get access to the new function, we will need to reload the xlwings server add-in. How you do this depends on your platform, but on macOS, I can just click on add-ins and then reload the add-in by clicking on it. If that doesn't work, you can always restart Excel. Now, simply write xlwings BTC price and hit enter, and as you can see, we now have a streaming function with the current live prices of Bitcoin. That's pretty cool. But what's even cooler is that your whole team can get access to these streaming prices. All you need to do is to run xlwings server on an actual server, which, by the way, also means that users don't need to have Python installed locally. This may be a good moment to remind you that xlwings server is self-hosted, so it runs on your machine and doesn't require access to the public internet or to any Microsoft server. So how does it work? In short, you have to write an async generator. So instead of def, you have to use async def. And instead of return, you use yield. You also want to make sure to use an async library here, like HTTPX, to do the REST API calls. So don't use requests. Also, you want to give it some time to breathe here at the end. Finally, you pack this into an endless loop, and xlwings takes care of running this as a background task on the server. The great thing is that we only connect to our Bitcoin API in a single location. So it's easy to stay within the API limits no matter how many users in your team are using these streaming functions. And that's it. That's how you can stream live data to Microsoft Excel across Windows, Mac OS, and the web.